Good morning, Astrobil Company.
Hi, good morning. How are you going today?
Good, thanks. How can I help?
Perfect. Sorry to bother you. My name is June from AUBC Consulting. I came across your project, CCS project listed in Cordell Connect. And I was hoping to speak with the person handling the project or tender costings.
What's this regarding?
For quantity surveying and cost consulting firm. And we're also builders as well. We help with BOQs, tender support, and project costing with a guaranteed 10 to 14 days turnaround. So I just wanted to briefly introduce our services for this project.
You don't require any QS services right now.
Absolutely, I understand. I know most projects already have teams and organized early on. The reasons I reach out is because sometimes workload increase unexpectedly during tender stages, and we can start quickly with builders direct costing and fast turnaround support if needed.
Okay.
So I'm really just hoping to introduce AUBC as another option your team can keep on file for future tenders or overflow work. Would be alright if I send short capability statement to the person handling the project?
Sure.
Perfect, thank you. Would you be the best person to send that to? I'll give you the contact. Perfect. Just verifying that's repeat your email ella.com. Is that right?
Yes.
Great, thank you. I'll send a quick introduction through regarding of QS support, tender assistance, and 10 to 40 days turnaround services. And hopefully, you will get the opportunity and support of your team for future projects.
No worries.
Perfect. Thanks again for your time. Ella, have a great day.